All right, this tutorial is for Module 10, Lesson 1, and this is going to cover Task 3 and Task 4 for Step It Out on deriving and applying formulas for circumference. All right, so now it's time to apply some practice here from what we've learned about diameter and circumference. All right, so let's see. We've got Juanita who wants to put a circular fence around the edge of a circular garden shown. How much fencing will she need to the nearest foot? So we've got some rounding involved here as well. All right, so she's measured through the center. So this is our diameter, and she has a measurement of 14 feet. Okay, calculate the amount of fencing Juanita will need. It says to use 3.14 for pi. Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. Okay, hundredth, of course, that's two decimal places. And my circumference is going to equal pi times diameter. So I'm going to take 3.14, and of course, we're going to multiply that times the diameter, and the diameter was 14. So what is 14 times 3.14? 14 times 3.14, 43.96. And of course, that's already rounded to the nearest hundredth. Okay, 43.96 feet of fencing. All right, let's check it out. Now, if she were going to the store, she probably wouldn't buy 43.96. She'd probably buy 44 feet of fencing. And if she had to cut it at the end, then that's what she'd probably do. Okay, so that completes task 3. Hopefully, you were able to solve that. Now let's move on to task number 4. All right. All right. The circumference of a men's adult basketball hoop, I talked about that in an earlier video, um, is about 56.52 inches. All right. So now we actually have the circumference. The diameter of a basketball is about 9.55 inches. If you've got a tape measure, you want to measure it, check that out. All right. Show that the ball can fit through the hoop. Use 3.14 for pi. All right. Find the diameter of the hoop using circumference equals pi times diameter and round to the nearest tenth. All right. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put the circumference in my box here. Okay. So of course it says my circumference is 56.52. And here I'm going to put pi because I'm using this formula right here. Okay. All right. So pi is 3.14. All right. Now, what do I have to do here to solve for d? Okay, well, this is 3.14d. To get d by itself, I have to divide both sides by 3.14, right? So I'm going to take 56.52 and I'm going to divide by 3.14. So the first one in task 3, we actually multiplied, and this task, we're going the opposite direction, we're dividing. Okay. Oh, look what I get. What's my diameter? My diameter is 18. Okay. So if the basketball is about 9.55 inches, will it fit through the hoop? Well, yeah, the hoop's 18 inches, right? The diameter of the basketball is 9.55. So you've got some room to spare on both sides. Okay. So obviously, uh, the diameter of the hoop is about what? 18 inches, right? Which is greater than the diameter of the basketball hoop. So obviously, you should know that if you shoot a basketball through a hoop, it's going to go through. Okay, unless you go to like a fair or carnival, and it's one of those ones that they try to trick you, of course. So, all right, check it. We're good. All right. Hopefully, this task helped you complete it. You're ready to do the check understanding, and then on your own. Okay. Good luck. Thanks for watching.